What?
You smashed it, Doran! What's your favourite place?
I'm going to go to the choirs. What?
What's your favourite place?
I don't give a fuck. Chippy lane, chippy, chippy.
We're going to Chippy Lane now.
I want two choosing baby. I'm not going to the actual chippy down there. Is it? Yeah, come on. Yeah, why not?
Good.
This one, is it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look back. No, that's oh, the only ones I know of is that one. I wouldn't try any of the others, just because I am. I've been to it's not too bad. Me and Ryan went in that one last time. We were why is there two sides? I am confused.
What's the plan?
So we're gonna get some chips, and then we're gonna go back for a bit. Yeah, but I need one as well.
You already have one.
No, I don't.
Do you have plenty?
Ryan, do you want food?
Yeah, it was, but I'm like, wait, stop.
Over there.
Please show us. You know what I mean? We're lost. There's an Irishman and an Englishman lost in Wales.
I'll show you. You know the car park?
Yeah, we're there. We're there.
Yeah, literally underneath John Lewis.
Yeah, we're there.
Wait, do you know where you're taking us?
Yeah.
You do? Oh, yeah. Right, this way. I am the old man. Yeah, it is very nice. It is very nice. It is very nice to get checked at your age at 34.
They do press that over 25, but quite confidently. They do it to me as well now, and I'm not even 25.
Even flex, he's just like, yep. I'm sorry, no.
I am, cats.
You got camera shot.
But I got 10% discount.
Fucking hell. We're off to the market. Have you ever been to the market?
I've been to the market before.
Not a market.
A market.
The Cardiff market. Have you been to?
Oh, no.
Neither.
It's actually a thing. Oh,
Sorry, I was scared.
fishing. It scared me.
Yeah, but I thought it sneezed.
Oh, get bird flu.
It made like a...
What's he doing?
Wait.
Oh.
It's just getting a bloody bit.
See it Vietnamese?
Yeah.
I think so. Hanoi. Smells like incense. Smells like holiday.
Sixth floor we're on.